Hey, how's it going? I'm going to add this really quick into the intro to this video. If you're watching this video because you're obviously interested in the Ring. So in the description down below, I'm actually going to list a link that you can get $10 off. So if you watch these videos or something you're interested in doing or decide you're going to move forward in ordering it, click on the link. It's not getting you to some bogus website. It's actually bringing it to Ring directly. So you can purchase it from Ring, get $10 off. Hey, and I'm actually getting $10 credit as well. So win-win situation. So please do, and moving on with the video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell, as my daughter would say, so you get the notifications of new videos. So God bless. Thanks for watching, and without further ado, here we go. Hey, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel, checking out my videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing today of the Ring video doorbell. So cool thing about this, I can read the box just like you can, but the reality is what's really cool about this box, this camera, this doorbell, is that you can set up a range. So for instance, at your front door, you could say if anybody walks within 20 feet, 30 feet, whatever range you set up with, you set up with the camera, then it notifies you. So it'll send you an alert to your phone, and then you're able to see someone's there and you can interact with them by physically saying something, or simply if someone actually uses it as a standard doorbell. So let's go up your door, ding ding, rings your doorbell. Let's say you're in Florida on vacation, or your kids are home from school and you're still at work, you can answer the door through your phone. So, oh, hey, how's it going? Or, oh, I'm not interested, or, something. Just so that they don't know that you're not home. They say majority of the time your house is burglarized or sub-vandalized, they ring your doorbell. They literally check to see if you're home. So if they're under the impression that you're home, it's enough deterrent that they may just leave. So there are several different models, versions of this. The biggest difference is the slimness of this, and there's a slight difference in the resolution of the camera. So my father-in-law bought a little bit more expensive one than this one with a higher resolution camera, and it's a little slimmer. Even though it's a higher resolution, the image didn't seem as wide. So it almost seems like it was fisheyed, like you're taking an image this big and you're kind of doing one of these. Does that make sense? You have a small little lens, and almost like you're widening at the end, like this. So at this end it's still this small, but at that end it's that big. So it had a fisheye effect, like a weird effect. Just didn't like the way it looked. So it was actually more expensive. So he ended up getting the other version, and I installed it, and he's been using it for about a year now. So, as usual, sometimes I recommend people to buy things based on reading reviews, the specs. I don't have it myself. Too busy, crazy working. So let's just do an unboxing without further ado. Let's see what we have here. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh, there she is. Let's see what she comes with. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Oh, it's taped on both sides. Okay. Alright, so the hardware that it comes with is there. So one thing you definitely want to do is, because I'm just forewarning you, the bottom of this camera, when you mount this, you physically mount it in a bracket that holds it on your door. So that way, two things: people just can't rip it off and steal it. Right? What good is this thing? Just rip it off and take off with it. However, the screw, you can see that. See, it goes in there. It's a actual security screw. So if you are to lose this, don't throw this away. It comes in this box. It comes with the little screwdriver, a drill bit, and a level. So see here. So you take this and you plug it in there, and that's your screwdriver. So this side is your actual security tool. and this side is standard screwdriver. So you may think like, what the heck do I need this piece of junk, screwdriver, and toss it out? Well, don't, because unless you have a security tool set, if you ever have a problem with your doorbell, you can't take it off, because you more than likely wouldn't have one of these little torque screwdrivers, something that small. So yeah. So let's see what else is in there. So it comes with a back plate. It comes with a small resistor in the event that you're having some issues. So and a USB charging thing. So here's the deal. You can actually charge this and use this on battery. Okay, so basically most doorbells, they have to have current from the run. That's actually makes the battery itself. That's what makes the doorbell itself ring. A ding. So you have like 9, 12 volts, different ones. So 6, 9, 12, I think are the most common, right? And most of the times you're going to see like a brick or like a big, like a a solid size block plug, or that's right near your fuse box. If you have one of those, that's probably your doorbell. Or if it looks like a solid silver, almost like you could unplug it, but it's not, and it's a little junction box underneath your breakers, that could be it too. That's commonplace where you'd see that the home run from the doorbell to the inside of your house, how it gets power. So a couple different reasons why I'd run on battery. For one, if you have a power outage, guess what? It runs on battery. It's not a big deal. You're not going to lose your footage. Two, for some reason you don't have power in that area, you don't have to run power all the way from wherever you want this doorbell to all the way back. So you could run it. It would just be a single 2 little wires that you'd be connecting to these terminals, and get yourself a little 12-volt power plug. It does not come with one, because it's basically thinking that this is not a fresh installation, this is a replacement. So you're replacing your existing doorbell and putting this in place of it. So how does it work? Okay, so you go ahead and press this button. There's a little bit of charge on it, and that's what you're going to see. See that lighting up? Okay, and then via Wi-Fi, it connects to your Wi-Fi. It'll actually notify you. So you can have a small. I thought it actually came with this. Apparently it didn't. So I may have gotten a different kit than my father got. As a small little box. Man, I thought it did come with it. Let me take a look. No, this particular one does not. So there is a small little box, a little white box, that you can actually plug into your outlet. And what that does is that actually will ring. So it replaces your ring. So that's what the chime is. So I'm not really concerned. I honestly thought this one did have, when I was looking at the different ones in the box, I must have just grabbed the one without it. I'm not really concerned because I'm actually linking this with Alexa. Surprised she didn't say anything. So I have the larger screen, so if it's out there, someone rings it, I can sync it. I have a Samsung Smart TV, so if somebody rings it, it'll go on my living room TV. So those are really kind of cool features. So internally in my home, I'm not really concerned. I honestly would have liked that little small, I may order it, that little small guy, that's just a chime. I may have stuck it upstairs on the second floor, so if somebody did ring the doorbell, you heard it. But again, I have Alexa in every single room, so it's not a deal breaker for me. So if you do have a smart home already, you have an Alexa or you have a Google, you can integrate them to it. So just the standard little small pucks, the little round guys, you can use audio. But if you have the bigger ones with the actual screen on it, it's cool because you can interact. You actually be able to physically see them. They won't see you, obviously, but you can see them. So eventually what I would actually like to do is I'm going to put, I have a long driveway with some property. I'm going to put one of those garage doors, those garage gates that open, so it allows you to pull into my driveway just enough so that your vehicle wouldn't be in the street. But I want to put one of these eventually out there, so you have to press it, and then I could open the gate and allow you to come in. So it has people trespassing stuff on my property. And the other day I actually got a notification someone tried to steal my Escalade. Kind of crazy. I don't exactly live in a bad area, so it's a little nerve-wracking that someone tried to steal my car. So this is what I'm actually going to be doing. I will do a follow video on the installation, see how hard it was. and maybe go over it, how to actually install it. But again, this is not something that's, I don't even think you really need it, to be honest with you. You literally take your existing doorbell off. You're going to have 2 wires sticking out, right? Take those 2 wires, screw them right down there. You screwed this bad boy in. You clip this right down. It's installed. Now all you're doing is really just pressing this. You're downloading the app to your phone, syncing this with your phone, and setting it up. And that's it. But as far as a hardware installation, that's it. So if you think, oh, I can't do this, I'm not a real handy guy, or I'm not a real techie guy, if you have a device that you connect to a Wi-Fi, cell phone, laptop, tablet, you can do this. So don't worry. And you don't have to be an electrician. Oh, okay, let me step back. I'm not offering you legal advice. And if you do that, sometimes your house, I'm not taking legal responsibility. But, okay. So like I said, two screws, screw it to the wall, screw this in. Good to go. I may even do some footage. I'm going to do a follow video and let you actually see what it looks like. So, and then I'll do some integrating with the Alexa, see how that looks. And then do some integrating, see how it looks with the TV and how you're able to do that. So some kind of cool features. So yes, this is an unboxing. I did show you what you get with it. It's a little pamphlet to kind of give you instructions, more or less what I just told you. A resistor, just in case you have some issues with power, you may want to dumb down the power, it's too strong. A USB charger, cable. I'm not going to use this because mine's going to be connected to power. You don't use this if you're actually running it off battery, and then you need this to charge it. And then a little drill, and it comes with some screws. So pretty straightforward installation. Like I said, just download the app next. Definitely has some weight to it. So I don't think it'd break easy if somebody whacked it. I think it actually might take a little bit of a heat. A little bit of it. Definitely take a hit if it need to. But like I said, it doesn't say it's unbreakable. Everything's breakable. But I think it's durable is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I think it's definitely durable. So I don't think you'd have a problem. The only thing that I did see with this is, okay, so let's just say this is screwed like this. So it's screwed to the wall, right? They sell kits that you can go like this or like this, because once you set it up and you're looking at the camera, remember how low this camera is, but it has a wide angle lens, so you should be able to see up, high, left, right. It's pretty wide, but if you wanted to see more to your right or more to your left, this is a flush mount. With your doorbell, it didn't make a difference. With a camera, it may. So if it does make a difference, you can buy that additional mount and then tilt it left or right, and they're not expensive. I want to say they're like less than $10. So here we go, to be continued on after the installation. See how it is. Thanks for watching. God bless. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you bought this and you have questions, post a comment and I'll reply to it. Or if you are thinking about buying and you have questions, post a comment and I will write back. Or maybe do a follow-up video and ask you that. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, please subscribe to my channel to see upcoming videos. Oh, another thing. I'm actually going to be getting the Doorbell, the Ring, fluorescent motion sensor lights with the built-in camera. I'm going to get 2 of those. So I'm going to have 1 of these and 2 of those. And I'll show you how to integrate all those together. And you'll know how to do that. So again, if that's something you want to see, post it on here. But yeah, I keep trying to end this and it keeps going on. So, but yeah, so just putting that out there. So if you like this, if you're thinking about buying this, watch the follow videos on this so you can see additional tips. If you're on the fence about the lights with the built-in camera, take a peek back at my channel because I will have that soon. I'm thinking to buy it tomorrow. So again, please like, comment, and share. God bless. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. See you guys later.